Thanks to the thoughtful security, all the people are safe and sound in the flood. To my impressed, some heroes are ordinary, but they are doing extraordinary things. Most of them are also others' children or the parents who has just had children. Maybe some of them are older than us, some are our contemporary, and some are even younger than us. In a word, no matter how old they are making efforts to provide security for those who are in the disaster area. Maybe they also feel fearful and helpless in that situation, but they still try to move on just because of the uniform they wear, which represents a sense of responsibility. In their opinion, it's more important than everything, and even more than their lives. So pay tribute to every hero sincerely. How great they are!